Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Philadelphia. The local time is 8:33 a.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisle clear until we are parked at the gates. The captain will then turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your indication that it is safe to stand. Use caution when opening the overhead compartment since articles may have shifted during flight. The use of cell phones is now permitted, however, all other electronic devices must remain off and stowed. If you are connecting here in Philadelphia, please check the airport monitors for updated gate information or visit usairways.com from your phone. Thank you for flying with US Airways, a member of the Star Alliance Network. Thank you and have a great weekend.